Hello, this is a quick tutorial on adding exclusions to your antivirus software for the Kennel Connection program. Sometimes when running Kennel Connection on a network, or if your Kennel Connection software is communicating with the internet for any way, you need to add exclusions so it's not blocked by your antivirus. In this demonstration, we're running a Windows 8 PC, and Windows 8 comes default with Windows Defender, which is now Microsoft Security Essentials. There's all sorts of antivirus programs out there, Norton, McAfee, AVG, you name it, there's hundreds of them. So whichever one you may be using, you may need to contact the vendor or go to their website for support on how to add exclusions. Some of the most common signs that your antivirus is interfering are database errors, including tables that can't be found or lost connectivity to the database from a workstation, credit cards stop processing if you're using the credit card processing, online reservations may stop working, or you're getting a message about the login ID and password are not correct, or if you send emails through Kennel Connection, that may all of a sudden stop working as well. Those are some of the common signs of the antivirus interfering. So on this machine, like I said, it's a Windows 8. We're going to go into our control panel. And again, in Windows 8, the easiest way to get there if it's not on your desktop is to just move your mouse to the bottom right-hand corner or the top right-hand corner and bring up the Windows charm bar and choose Search. Type in the word Control, and then click on Control Panel. Now you'll see in my Control Panel here I have Windows Defender, and like I mentioned before, Windows Defender is now Microsoft Security Essentials. So if I click on this, it'll open up my Windows Defender program. Depending on what you're running, you may have to go down by the date and time and look for your antivirus icon. If you see a little arrow, click that and it'll show you more running programs. Your taskbar may be on the very bottom, whereas mine's on the side. If you can't find it there, try going into your Start menu, into All Programs, and look there as well. So with Windows Defender or Microsoft Security Essentials, I'm going to go into Settings. And you can see here the list of our options. So I'm going to go into Excluded File Types. And this is where you can add file extensions, .exe, .rpt, things like that. Excluded processes, this is where you can add Windows processes to be excluded from the scans, but the one we want is the excluded files and locations. So once you choose that, we're going to go to Browse. And because we install Kennel Connection to the C drive, we're going to expand the C drive. And I'm going to go ahead and expand the KC6 folder. And you'll notice this does show all the files. Some antivirus programs will only show you the .exe files, which is the ones we're looking for. So for Kennel Connection, we're going to go to the Ks, and we're going to add kcw6.exe. This is the main executable for the Kennel Connection software. So we're going to click OK, and you can see it here. We're going to click Add, and now we have Kennel Connection, the program, added to exclusions. Now if you're running any other EXEs of Kennel Connection, you want to add those as well. If you're running a smartphone app, we're going to go back into Browse, into our C drive, KC6, and we're going to find bcslive.exe. This controls your smartphone. We'll add that. And we're going to click on Save Changes. And now we're going to close out. And that's it. We've just added the exclusions to Windows Defender or Microsoft Security Essentials. And like I said, you may be running another antivirus program. We do have some help articles in our support center, and we have a few instructions for other antivirus programs. But you may need to go to your antivirus support site and see how to add exclusions there. And as always, if you have any questions, please give us a call. Thanks.